Okay, well, part 2 of our pie video is behind because Pippy decided she was going to jump ahead because we're making dinner and
pie. Okay.
So
in this pan, okay.
Yeah.
I have 2/3 cup sugar, a 1/3 cup of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, salt, and 3 cups of milk. Okay. And I got that all stirred up, whipping it. And I hope this turns out, because like I said, this is the first time I've ever done this. My mom used to get in here with even out that. She'd just do it in her head. So she got old Zeno. Which I'll be here for.
Quit saying that. Your thoughts become things.
Potatoes. Go ahead and spread potatoes, or they are.
Yeah, we're having fried potatoes. And let me show you. Oh, he just took them. Their steaks are gone. I can't show. They are ginormous.
Okay, and then I'm going to stir in 3 eggs.
Whole eggs.
Whole eggs. And there might maybe a couple shells.
Crunch never hurt anybody.
I don't think I got any shells in there, but anyway.
Little crunch never hurt anybody.
Sure. For some reason, these are the hardest eggs to bust. So I'm going to stir this until the mixture boils.
Okay. Do you need me to stir the potatoes or let them sit?
Oh, I just cleaned my stove and look at the grease and the milk on it.
It happens.
It's all over again.
And Clark and I just played plumbers and fixed the, I don't know, something under the sink.
Dishwasher.
The dishwasher thing. So that was fun. Clark didn't think I could do it, but
I didn't say that.
He just doesn't know I'm like a plumber in disguise. Because my butt crack don't show.
Well, that is on there.
You need me to stir it?
Well, it doesn't say that you have to keep stirring eggs until mixture boils. Okay. There you go.
Okay, I'm stirring.
I've got to find my coconut.
You just want me to put them steaks back on this right here.
Yeah. It'll be fun.
I'm not a baker, so who knows if there's like an art to stirring. I can promise you I'm not doing a very good arty job.
What have I done with my coconut? You didn't eat it, did you, Clark?
No, I don't remember eating it. What's that blue up there in that sack up there?
Where, babe? I don't see the blue here.
Yeah, what is that?
That's it, honey. You must have opened it. Did you?
Yeah,
I think I did, and I told you to put it in this. Yeah. Okay. I got it. You know, who knows what this pie's going to turn out with.
It's going to turn out delicious.
There might be a part 3 because of the meringue.
That's okay. We can do a part 3. Maybe we'll get some actual hits on our YouTube. Please subscribe, by the way. If you're watching this video in our fun adventures at the farm here at Pippy's,
Yeah.
we need subscribers. So please subscribe to our videos. Like, comment. Tell us how great we are. That's okay. We don't mind.
Yeah, and then tell a friend.
Yeah, tell a friend. Very good, Pippy.
You got to see these crazy. They're like Thelma and Louise.
Yeah, Thelma and Louise out there in our PJs, running around in the
muck boots
and cow shit.
Yeah, that was. Woo, that was.
Yeah, there was a. Anyways, we don't talk about that.
We're eating.
We're not eating yet, but yeah.
Not yet, but we're going to.
We are.
But yeah.
Oh.
You need to tell them about the little quiz.
Oh yeah, so
Clark and I took a quiz today.
Yeah, so there was a quiz on Facebook, and it was like to ask your partner, but I decided to ask them each individually to see how well they know each other. And y'all have been married how many years?
It'll be 36 in March.
36 years they've been married. Patty and Clark have been married 36 years.
And then we dated 3 years before we got married. So we've been almost together 40.
Almost 40 years. So.
I don't even look that old. But you know what? I could be like in your YouTube videos, kind of like that guy that was like, what was that show? They'd only show, you know, He never saw his face. He just
I don't know, but in Charlie Brown, the mother, you only see her body, but all you hear is wah, 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 wah.
Yeah, but okay.
But yeah, we want to hear you.
Yeah.
But we want to hear your voice.
Yeah, yeah.
So we took the thing. We started with Clark, and I don't remember all the questions, but they got we'll start with him. He got most of them right. He did not know
My favorite color.
her favorite color after 36 years of marriage. He did not know her favorite color. I mean, didn't even have a clue.
No, but what did he pick? Why did he pick the color he picked?
He picked silver because if it was like a car or something, which was right.
Yeah.
Which that was right.
Pretty much.
But her favorite color was purple, but he had no clue. And then he did not know how tall she was. He thought she was 5'1" or 5'2", and she's 5'4".
I'm just glad they didn't ask the weight, because he would.
That would have been an odd question.
Yeah.
And it was really sweet because it did ask what makes you so proud of your spouse. And he said because she
stuck it out
with him all these years, and he's a truck driver. And as you may or may not know, I've been sticking it out for 7 years, and mine just left me. He's an idiot, but
yeah.
They stuck it out all these years he's been a truck driver.
But why I brought this up was because he said you said to him, if Patty was to be in trouble.
Yeah, if Patty was to get into trouble, who would she be with? And he said, definitely me, Francis. So we are like Thelma and Louise.
Yeah.
But to go on Patty's question, after 36 years of marriage, she did not know his height either.
No,
so they both got their heights wrong, which I think is hilarious.
Because I said 6 foot and he's 6'1".
6'1", yeah. Yeah, that's funny.
See, this is getting cluttered.
Cluttered, clumpy. Is it supposed to be getting clumpy?
I don't know. It said, what's it say?
It says, let's see. It says, in a medium saucepan, stir together sugar, cornstarch, flour, and salt. Stir in eggs until mixture boils. It doesn't say when to stir the milk in.
I know.
Boil and stir 1 minute.
Oh.
Remove from heat. Stir in butter and vanilla.
Okay, we're going to remove this from the heat.
Stir in coconut until blended. Pour in baked pie crust.
We're going to stir in it now because I remember it getting thick with my mom because I always like to eat the bowl.
Yeah.
So I'm going to take my butter. How much? It doesn't matter.
I don't know.
I don't ever measure.
1 teaspoon of butter.
Teaspoon? That's a tablespoon.
Tablespoon.
But who measures butter?
I'm dyslexic.
Yeah.
So who knows?
Who measures butter? Butter's butter, and it's really.
I don't bake because I don't follow. I can't follow directions. I cook with my brain. That looks good. That looks good. All right, pour that in there.
I'm not measuring vanilla either because butter and vanilla are like 2 of my favorites.
Yeah, I think that's
vanilla.
good.
Yeah, I do too.
Maybe you should add a little bit of cinnamon.
I don't want cinnamon in my coconut. In coconut cream pie.
I love cinnamon.
Oh, I don't want it in coconut cream pie.
Okay.
Okay. And now we're going to stir in our coconut. And it says like a cup and something?
It says, I don't know what it says. 1 1/4 cups.
Okay.
Of coconut.
All right. There's one. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's good. I hope nobody follows this recipe. Because in there, it doesn't tell you when to put in the milk, so I just kind of guessed it.
Yeah.
Put in the milk before I put the eggs in.
I think it'll be fine.
I do too. Because it looks like my mom's. It really does.
It looks good.
Yeah. And then it says to...
stir in the coconut, pour until blended, pour into baked pie crust.
Okay.
Oh, and we got to show them how our pie crust turned out.
Okay, okay.
Before you pour it in there.
Yeah, we will. Put this over here. So get this over here, and there's my pie crust.
Okay, so The pie crust
See right there?
fell down a little bit, but that's golden brown. How
Yeah,
should
it's
be when
golden
it
brown.
comes
And we
up.
decided we did put a timer on it, remember?
Yeah.
And it was like 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Because we did it every, I mean, we
It was
did it.
a little longer than 20
Yeah, I
because
think
it
it
went
was. We
off
did-
again and then we set it again,
Again.
but I don't remember how long we set it for. Or
Right.
maybe we turned it off and you just kept checking it.
Yeah, I think that's
I
what
don't
I did.
remember.
I think it was, yeah, it was about 30 minutes maybe.
Yeah, because we
And I'm
we
going
were
to fill
putting
it.
away Christmas and we were dancing to music
Yeah,
and we were singing and having fun.
giving Clark a lap dance.
Yeah,
Or I was.
he was,
He
yeah.
wasn't. I was.
He wasn't dancing. He was just looking at us like we were crazy. And then Pippy
course
Pippy
we-
gave him a lap dance in the kitchen. It was nice.
And make sure you stir the bottom because, see, it kind of got burnt, the bottom.
Oh, yeah.
But it doesn't taste bad.
It's like toasted coconut.
Yeah, I'm going to leave
You
that
just
so
made
you
some
can...
toasted coconut. So I can what? Eat it?
You can eat the rest of this, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
There you go.
Is it real hot?
Yeah, it's hot right now.
Oh.
But I'm going to let this cool. And then I'm going to make a meringue if I have enough
Egg
egg
whites.
whites. And
How
we'll
many
come back
egg
to that.
whites do you have to make?
I don't know how many you need. I'm going to ask Siri.
Oh, Siri. Patty likes Siri, and one time she asked Siri. She said, "Siri, something," and Siri responded, and she said, "Oh, Siri, you're so stupid." And Siri said,
That's not very
That's
nice."
not very nice. I help you all the time." And it was hilarious because I'm not a big Sirier. I don't ever Siri. I don't like talking to the government in my phone and the people in there. But
We're just rambling on now. You know that.
Okay,
don't you?
yeah.
So, do you think they're going to watch this?
no, who
I don't,
cares?
you know. But it's funny, and they're going to say, listen to how stupid these girls are.
What?
Listen to Thelma and Louise.
Pippy and Francis.
The only thing that we're not going to do is drive off a cliff.
No, we're not
Like
going to do
Thelma
that.
and Louise
No,
did. Yeah.
we're not going to do that.
No. We might do some crazy things, but that's not going to be one of them.
I think we're pretty entertaining.
Oh, if they were here in person,
Yeah,
Oh.
they would really get a
Man.
kick out of us.
they'd have
Especially
to pay
out-
for this entertainment now.
I'd like to get paid to be an entertainer right now. Oh, I'm going to go now. All right, are we cooking anything else? Are we hanging up?
We're going to hang up, and we'll
Okay.
do the meringue if I have enough egg
Third
whites.
video. Okay,
Love ya.
love ya. Love and light.